A very good evening to all of you. Today we are studying data warehouse and data mining. Before we studying the data warehouse and data mining, we need to know what is data warehouse and what is data mining. Okay, let's first we need to know what is data warehouse. Okay, data warehouse. If we talk about data warehouse, the data warehouse we can say that if any company store the past data and the historical data coming from the different functions. Okay, stored all data in the JVMs. Okay, so we can say that this is a data warehouse. Okay, according to definitions, data warehouse can be viewed as a database for historical data from different functions within a company. Okay, the term data warehouse was coined Bill Inman in 1990. Okay, the firstly developed data warehouse by the Bill Inman in 1990. Okay, according to Bill Inman, they satisfy the database for properties. Okay, data warehouse. If any data warehouse satisfy the four properties, so we can say that it is a data warehouse. Okay, the four properties are subject oriented, integrated, time variant, and non volatile. Okay, and we need to know why we need data warehouse. Okay, so this is give the main advantage and main benefits to taking the decisions for the future reference. Okay, so we need to data warehouse. Okay, the first property is the subject oriented. Subject oriented means store the data corresponding to the subject. Okay, if we talk about any company for the business. So, what data is this stored? Data is stored as a customer records, suppliers record, product records, and the sales record, which is past data and the historical data stored in the database. Okay, and the next one is integrated. Integrated means we collect data and gathering data from different sources. Okay, and then merge it. So, it is an integrated. Next one is time variant. Okay, it is a third property. Time variant, we can say that according to time, day by day we update the data in the data warehouse. Okay, according to time period we update data and identify it. Okay, and the last one is non volatile. Non volatile, we all know that non volatile is stable. Okay, in the data warehouse data is more stable. We always added data but never remove data from the database. Okay, so if any data warehouse satisfies four properties, first one is subject oriented, second one is integrated, and third one is time variant, and last one is non volatile. If any data warehouse satisfy four properties, so we can say that it is a most and best data warehouse. Okay, next we study some important technologies related to the data warehouse. Okay, the first one is enterprises data warehouse, second one is decision support system, and third one is data mart. Okay, let's first study the enterprise data warehouse. Okay, what we understand by the enterprise data warehouse? What is the difference between the company and the enterprises? Okay, company we can say that simply as a organizations and an NGOs, and enterprise as a whole industries on the large scale. Okay, what is enterprise data warehouse? Okay, if we talk about any organization, okay, we have exist in the organizations and collect all informations of the organizations according to time period. Okay, so we can say that it is an enterprises data warehouse. Okay, we see in the diagram, first one is sources. Okay, sources where we integrate data and collect data from SQL. Okay, and storage in the files and the database DBMS, and what perform analyze and processing on the data which we are collect, and last one is visualize. when we access the data by the query the helps, so we can see the visualize. Okay, next one is decision support system.